Hello guys, if you know you haven't watched my first and second part of this video, I would like you to go back to the previous video and watch the first and the second part that brought us here to the third part. Okay, in this last particular part of the tutorial, we want to add dimensions, and also we want to make a drawing in PDF of this particular geometry. Okay, so in order for you to start this particular geometry, in order for you to start this particular tutorial, I would likely want you to go back and watch the other videos, right? So that you get the basic knowledge before knowing how to do this one. So first of all, what we're going to do right there is, this is our geometry. I want to add a dimension on this geometry. So we're just going to click on dimension right there. You see this particular place, dimension. So just click on dimension. Okay, click on dimension. Now we want to add a dimension here. So let's say that's the first dimension. Click on it again. So let's add from here to here. Okay, that's the second one. From here to here. So we want to add a dimension from those 2 points, here to here. So just leave this one here like this, right? So this dimension is showing this particular place, this place and this place, right? So let's add a dimension from this. You know, we draw something from here to here, so we're going to add that dimension. Click on this line. So in order for you to get this right, you can reference this your point here. Okay, this is the center point. Then click on it, right? Something like this. So let's just say we want to keep this one here, escape. So we want to make a dimension here, click here, let's come here this way. Okay, a particular one. This particular dimension is showing this line. So we've done for that one. So again, this particular line from here to here. So we want to put this dimension. So click here, okay, or from here to here. That shows this line. All right, so this dimension was given, right? So from here to somewhere around here. So let's have the geometry. Make sure just come here like this and drag it to this point. Okay, you see it here. So just click this now. So let me just I place this one here. So it's telling us that this line took from here down to this point. That's 2. Okay, so we've gotten that particular one. So let's get the next one, this one, to this midpoint here, right? Take it to this point. Okay, so you know you've gotten this. So we are to get this one, this. So let's just click there and bring it to this point. Just keep it there. Okay, so the next one we're going to do is, you know, we draw this circle, this diameters and the radius. So we are going to put the dimension to this. So click on the first circle, go out, keep it there. Click on the second one, keep it there. That's for diameters. Click on the third one. Okay, now what about this one? Click on it. So you see how you just brought the radius for you. Keep it there. So I think we still need to put here. Keep it up here and here. Okay, so we've just made a particular, we've put the dimension of this particular line. You can actually change this dimension orientation. So the layer of this dimension, we just click on layer properties, escape, click on layer properties here. Okay, I want to make a dimension layer, so I'll just click on new, type in dimension or dim. So I'll just type in dim and change the color. Let me say I want to change the color to green. So I'll just change the color to green and click enter. All right, so right there I can just click here and find the dim. So right here is it. I click on it. Okay, the dim is out. So I'll just copy all this to the dim layer. All right, dim. I'll put it on dim layer, escape, copy all these two, also copy all this. I'm going to put all this dimension on dim layer, so just simply do it right there. Come here, type in dim, so look for dim, escape. So you could see that all my dimensions are in dim layer. You can actually hide this dimension. Okay, if you don't want to show it, you can just click here. All right, bring your cursor here and click here on the dim, just off the dim. Okay, turn the layer on and off. When you click it, just say turn off the current layer, so you see it, it's not there. Okay, it's not as if it's not there, it's here but it's hidden. So you can just bring it back easily and just click on dim. Okay, it has come back. Okay, so that's how to make a dimension. Now in order for us, we want to plot this particular work, so we have to plot this work. So in order for us to plot this work on your printing tool, yes, your printing tool, just click on your print option. Okay, leave this to DWG to PDF. Okay, let's change this to A3 portrait. So let's just find A3. Okay, let's say A4 portrait. Okay, this is A4 portrait right here. Okay, I'll just click on A4 there. Okay, and click on Windows, make it as Windows, and come here. We want to make this work as a window file. Approximately click a point. Okay, just come here, center, do Windows again. Okay, portrait mode, right? You keep it at portrait mode. Just click OK, or just preview it. So let's just preview it and see it as a PDF file. Let's see how it's going to look like. So you actually don't like this color, right? This color is looking somehow and the thing is still small, so we want to make it bold and this color is looking somehow. So we want to remove the color, we don't want to keep this color, so just escape this before we print it to PDF. So in order for you to remove the color, let's come to Windows again to make it more bigger, something like this. Let's scale it a little bit. Okay, so we want to remove this color. Come here, click on monochrome, click on monochrome, say yes. Okay, so let's just preview it again and see. Click on preview. You could see there, right? When you click on monochrome, you could see how the diagram look like on an A4 paper size. So particularly this thing here, we want to put a line, a border for it. Click and just cancel this first. So we want to put a border line here. Come here, click a border line here. Let's say somewhere around here. I would likely want to change this. Just click here, escape. So let's just change this right there, that particular 0. So I'll just change that. Click on 0. So just click on 0 here, type in 0, click that and enter. Okay, we've changed the color. So we want to print this work again to put a border. So just click on your printing tool again, click here, right there. Okay, leave this at this and keep it at A3, A4, or let's keep it at this. Make sure you turn this to portrait mode. All right, let's come to display again and window. Right, so just do something like this. You can off the old snap so that you don't pick the peak point. So something like this. Okay, so let's just say something like this, right? Okay, so let's just fit this one to center. fit plot to center. All right, let's preview it and see. Right, okay, you can see our work here. Right, this border is too big, so just leave it like this. You could see the work on the borderline. Click escape. Click escape. So let's just say you want to print this work again. Click print to PDF. Choose A4. Right, make sure you change it to portrait. Come to display. Let's zoom this wide at right. So we just want something smaller. Right, click on center. Okay, we just have to preview this. Okay, let's just print this. I think this one is okay. Let's print it. Escape and print. So just click on OK. You want to save it as PDF and click save. Okay, let's just take it to our folder. Let's take it to our folder. Document. YouTube. So just save it here. Right. So this is your work on PDF. So from PDF now you can actually print it to your printer. Okay. In order for you to print it to your printer, just click print here. Okay. It's going to show you printing of printer. So you choose your printer size. You choose the printer you want to print it. Right. Choose the printer you want to print it and you click print. If your printer is enabled, choose the printer you want to put it as and click print. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. I'd like you to subscribe to our channel. God bless you. Have a wonderful day.